Hello guys, welcome to my another video, and today we're going to play hide and seek extreme again. And whoa, the it win? How? The it just left. Or maybe he paid to win? Guess, let's see what map we got. The workshop. Okay. Okie dokie. Let's see who is the it. Please be me, please be me. No, Korea 10k. Okay, let's go. Now, I'm going to show you the workshop's best hiding spot. Okay, let's go up. We're going to go up first. Okay, jump in. Okay, there we go. We will hide here temporarily. After the it went away, I'm going to go back to the spawn place. Okay, now let's go spectate it. Let's go spectate it. Yeah. Okay, let's go wait for this 10 seconds. Okay, now it is already going now. And why did he stop? Okay, now he's going here. No, I think he will catch me. Okay, now he's going straight. Now I finally almost have a chance. I need it to be very far away from me. Okay, now it is very far away from us. Now we're going to jump. Okay, did it saw us? No. We need to jump here. Jump up. And jump to the table. Yeah. Okay, let's go back to the hiding place. Yeah, there we go. Let's go spectate it again. I guess it found someone. Now the bacon is trying to run. What? Why did it didn't catch the bacon? No way. Where did the bacon go? Bacon has gone so far. There's 2 minutes left. Yeah, I mean 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, there. Okay, now the it is trying to go to the red trailer place. Oh my goodness, no way. Okay, let's go and wait till 1 minute, and I wish I won't get found. I'll pause the video here first. See you later. Okay, now I'm back, and it is still standing here, and he's trying to jump to the yellow bucket. Nope. I think he's going to catch that guy, because that guy. Oh, this is a bacon again, but a bacon, normal bacon. They are so smart. They hide at the hammer, top of the hammer. Wow, they are so smart. This is a good hiding spot, and it is also smart, I guess. Yeah, it still can't find me because I hide in the secret spots. Okay, let's go spectate it again. The it is stopped here. It's not stopping at here. Okay, he's trying to jump up, but he can't. Lol. No, he jumped up, then he tried to jump on the hammer. Yeah, no, he fell. He actually fell. Now he's trying to jump through the hammer. Now it's very easy to let it to catch the bacon now, but he still can't touch the bacon. Lol. Yay. Now we won the game, and thank you for watching this video, and remember to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.